So today's event is replacing the flags, American flags, over the entire university. We were given a gracious donation by one of our faculty with his father's endowment fund that they created, and just really wanted to get everybody together right before Veterans Day and just make sure every American flag looks great, and we wanted to replace all of them. As a student and as still an active duty member of the Coast Guard, it's just a great event. It's nice to bring everybody together, the camaraderie that we're seeing with everybody from veterans, active duty, cadets, and then the officer corps here at Ohio State. And as well, you're bringing Ohio State faculty into it, just making it into a large family. And it's a great impact for me just because it's bringing me back to the roots for active duty military and just being part of an event. My role is carrying the flag over, the new flag over to the flagpole, and then replacing it and bringing the old one back to be disposed of properly. Looking at it, I think this is a great idea and a great annual ceremony that we could push on for the future. It's always nice to replace the flags every year. If it starts getting tattered, you need to replace it just to make sure that we're showing American off right.